The Voice of the People's Party (VPP) had submitted a memorandum recently to Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma expressing strong opposition to the proposed transfer of 300 acres of forest land for the beautification of the Umiam Lake. While acknowledging the government's aim to boost tourism, VPP President Ardent Basaiawmoit warned of potential environmental and social costs, including deforestation, strain on local infrastructure and unequal economic benefits. Basaiawmoit, also the Nongkrem MLA, highlighted concerns about the project's sustainability, citing the introduction of water sports, entertainment facilities and luxury tourism, which may benefit local communities. He also noted that the area's inadequate road infrastructure would be further strained by increased tourism-related traffic, leading to congestion and deteriorating road conditions. The VPP's memorandum urges the government to reconsider the land transfer and instead explore alternative solutions that prioritize environmental sustainability and community well-being.